What's up, fam? Mark Drew speaks. Mr. Drew, back with another poll. And before we even begin, thank you for your honesty. Like, so much honesty in this one. Did you do your best today? Just a simple question. And it's easy to blow that one off. I'm like, yeah, I did. But when we're honest with ourselves, we typically see there's room for more. There's room for so much more. Because we can give 100, but there's always 110, right? We can go above and beyond. And when it comes to doing the best, was it the best for us? The best for the world? The best for God? Like, there's so much we can do in a day. So I guess it's a misleading question. But to those who felt they didn't do their best, it's okay. You're on the right track. You acknowledged that you could do more. And it starts with acknowledgement. It starts with me acknowledging, hey, I'm not done. There's more in my tank. Next time I get a shot, I'm going all the way in. There's more in me than I think. I am enough. And I'm gonna go get it. And you push through it. And you do you. Or, and this breaks my heart, are we saying we didn't do our best because we didn't do what other people were doing? Because that's not fair to yourself. It's not. Your best is doing the best of your abilities, is doing everything you could within your skill set, within your circumstances. Did you apply what you had and give your all? Then you did your best, baby. You did your best. My best on the basketball court's gonna look a little bit different than Steph Curry. You know what I mean? Hey, I'm no Steph Curry. But if I give my all, I know I did my best. So please don't ever kick yourself. Please stop comparing yourself to what others are doing. Look at your abilities. Look at your skills. And apply them. Apply them all. Use them in every asset you can, area of life. Work your magic. Because you're a magical being. You really are. You're more magical than unicorns. You know this, right? Because I've never seen a unicorn. But I can see you guys. Don't forget, love someone today as always. Just having fun with the poll series. Tomorrow's another day. So if you didn't do your best today, hey, you know what you can work on tomorrow. Hey, I'm Mark Drew. If you haven't subscribed to the page, get on it. We are growing this channel one subscriber at a time because we're going to touch as many hearts as possible. We're going to uplift people. Yes, we are. Follow on the Instagram at Mark Drew Speaks. Getting out of here, man. Going to prepare for another day because I think I only give about 95% today. Tomorrow I'm going for like 155. Ow! Peace.